Cogbiz.
How to establish tannery business in India? Setting up a tannery processing unit is one of the highly profitable business venture in India. The global demand for leather items continues to rise with each passing day. Most importantly, there are several government-backed schemes for supporting the entrepreneur in the leather industry. Such schemes revolve around helping businesses in terms of export making, marketing, and licensing. If you want to start this form of business, you need to know about the legal compliances required for the setting up a tannery business. Friends, this is Chandrashi and I am going to tell you about what is tannery is before proceeding ahead. What is tannery? A tannery refers to a skin processing facility that leads to the creation of high quality leather, which the leather product manufacturing companies utilize as per their requirements. Furthermore, leather tanning is one of the most classical form of industries in India. In India, the livestock industry are there to immense potential. That's the reason why hide and skins are present in ample volume here. And hide and skins is the significant primary product of the meat processing facility. Animals that are smaller are said to have skins, goat skins, sheep skins, and large animals are said to have hide, like cow hide and buffalo hide. States such as WP, UP, Karnataka, Punjab, Tamil Nadu are the leading leather producing states. Most of the world's leather is made up of sheep skins, goat skins, and cattle hides. Hides and skins encounter a wide array of processing phase before transforming into final product. Legal compliance pertaining to tannery business seeks numerous type of license along with the permit from the government authority. But it further depends on the nature of the operations. It is suggested to concern with a small business specialist before venturing into the realm. Firm incorporation. The first and the foremost requirement are to define the form of your firm and go ahead with the registering the business. You can start a tannery business as one of the following forms of businesses. Private Limited Company governed by Company Act 2013. OPC One Person Company governed by Company Act 2013. Partnership Firm governed by Partnership Act 1932. Limited Liability Partnership governed by LLP Act 2008. These business forms rotate around a different kit of provisions and bylaws when it comes to incorporation. The Ministry of Corporate Affairs and ROS functioned as a centralized authority that yielded incorporate certificates. Factory License Labour Authority of the concerned state grant a factory license against a duly filled application as well as a standard fee. While applying online, the applicants should submit some documents for validation. And the documents are: first, list of employees; second, firm registration list of partner and directors; third, address proof of the establishment; fourth, list of machinery consent from the State Pollution Control Board. Usually, the leather processing unit releases solid as well as liquid waste in a substantial amount. Hence, such entities can't continue with their operations without a legal permit given by the State Pollution Control Board. The leather processing unit should have an effluent treatment plan to bring down the graph of pollution as per the guidelines of SPCB. The application concerning the same can be filled on the website of the local authority and accompanied by the documents such as availability of DG, power output and rating, list of machinery, rating and power output, and floor plan authorized by the relevant authorities. GST registration. GST registration is the mandate in the following condition. First is if the business conducts interstate transaction of goods as well as services. Second, If the business makes annual revenue of more than rupees 40 lakhs, rupees 20 lakh for entities in the hilly as well as northeast region. Equipment used in the tannery business. First is the lace cutting machine. The second, hydraulic press. Third, electrical unit heater for stuffing drum 5 HP. Fourth, shaving machine single with it. Fifth, drum with 5 HP motor shaft pulley. 6. Electrical hand operated jetting out machine. 7. Brushing machine with dryer. 8. Spraying machine with dryer. 9. Miscellaneous other equipment process concerning the finished leather manufacturing technology. Procure skin from bankable source. You need to properly arrange the wet blue skins from the trustworthy sources. But you can even arrange raw skins as well as hides. After procuring the said items, you need to classify the skin. Retanning it involves retreatment of the wet blue skins. Pre-finishing in the third phase skins are horse-upped, dyed, stretched as well as dried out via hot air and eventually ironed. Finishing this phase comprise classification and cutting, spraying along with the final conditioning. It entails buffing, skating and milling. The final operations are performed dry. In the preview of the past and ongoing trend, the tannery business will continue to witness massive growth owing the significant domestic demand. Although the tannery business processing unit seeks solid investment, it can act as a resolute source of revenue for the business owners for upcoming years. For more informative videos, stay tuned to our channel and please do subscribe our channel and don't forget to click the bell icon.